and gentlemen, I would like to tell you a story entitled The Miser. Once upon a time, there was a miser who had lots of gold. The miser said to himself, "I'll keep my gold in a very safe place." So he buried the gold in his garden. Every day, the miser would dig up the treasure and count to make sure it was there. A thief has been watching him for so long, and one night, the thief stole all the gold. The next day, the miser went to count his gold. He was shocked when he found nothing but an empty hole. "My gold! Oh, my gold! Someone has robbed me!" cried the miser. "Why didn't you keep it in your house where you could easily get it when you have to buy things?" asked a stranger who heard his cry. "Buy? I would never think of spending any of my gold!" screamed the miser angrily. The stranger picked up a large stone and threw it into the hole. "If that's the case, cover up that stone. It is worth the same as the treasure you lost," he said. Finally, the miser realized his foolishness of not making use of his gold. Thank you.